In this relaxing watercolor tutorial, we'll be creating a peaceful grain field. We'll be practicing different techniques, including the wet on wet technique and the wet on dry technique. You will experience how calming it is to create this easy but beautiful painting. Paint along at your own pace and enjoy your creative me time. I'll be painting today's grain field in a Polaroid format. I apply masking tape in a square shape to create clear white edges. Today we'll be using two brushes. For the background of this painting, I'll be using a round size 20 brush, but any big round brush will do fine. The detailed grain plants will be painted with a small size 0 round brush. You'll need 4 colors to create this grain field: black, indigo blue, raw sienna, and a warmer shade of yellow. I'm using Naples yellow in this tutorial. We'll mix the paints with various amounts of water to create different shades of each color. Start off by wetting your paper with clean water. You know that you're using enough water if your paper has a nice shine and no puddles. Amazing! You created your own peaceful grain field. I hope you enjoyed this painting session as much as I did. Thank you so much for taking the time to paint with me today.